The best 3D printers have become more affordable, and the 3D printer market is growing at an explosive rate, with new brands and styles of printing making an appearance each year. Where many 3D printers used to be huge, expensive machines, developments in technology and production now mean that many of the best options you can buy are increasingly affordable and can sit on a desk in your home without needing workshop space. The best 3D printers effectively work by extruding molten plastic through a tiny nozzle. This nozzle precisely prints from the data it received under computer control. Such printers work by a layer printing technique, which waits for a while it dries and resumes printing automatically. In today's video, we will be showing you the most useful 3D printers of 2023. Without further ado, let's begin. Combro Creality Ender 3 Pro. The ability to create a hop of 11 degrees within 5 minutes makes the Combro Creality Ender 3 Pro a powerful device to have. This product comes with a resume print function that remembers the last printing mode and allows you to resume the printing from where it was left. The option of having a quick release feature allows us to remove the printing models within the Combro Creality Ender 3 Pro after cooling. The Combro Creality Ender 3 Pro comes with an easy-to-set-up kit that makes it better to use the Combro Creality Ender 3 Pro. This product comes with a partially assembled kit, which allows up to complete the setup within an hour. The product also features UL certifications, which makes the users safe from accidental damage while using Official Creality Ender 3. The advanced extruder technology offered by Official Creality Ender 3 makes this product one of the best of the market. It helps in reducing the plugging risks and produces a fine printing result. The product is efficient to continue printing even after any type of lapse or a power surge. To help you with this work, the product has USB connectivity. There are many printers available in the market, which take a long time to set up, but not with the Official Creality Ender 3. This product features an easy assembly option that allows you to get a quick print setup. The product comes with several assembled parts, which cut down the time, and you can immediately start to print without any delay. Elegoo Saturn MSLA 3D Printer. The Elegoo Saturn MSLA 3D printer comes with a decent 8.9-inch monochrome LCD, which allows you to get complete navigation while printing. This product also comes with 54 UV LED lights to get a uniform emission. The set screws are quick to set up, and it always reduces the time to print. As per consumers, the Elegoo Saturn MSLA 3D printer comes with a quality print option because of the uniform light, which allows printing to be much more realistic. For better precision, the Z line of this printer comes with a double linear guideway, which allows you to get a steadier motion. This results in better output and produces superior print results. Anycubic Photon Mono X Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono X Resin 3D printer has a decent motor and nut combination that makes printing easy and smooth. You can use the upgraded Matrix Parallel to get a K monochrome screen for a better 3D printing experience. It has dual linear rails, which reduces the risk of layer shifting. The Anycubic Photon Mono X Resin 3D printer comes with a UV cooling system to get a stable printing performance. The product effectively cools down once printing is done so that the manufactured object remains stable. This product comes with an app remote control to get complete navigation and settings to print your favorite object. Arkitty Technology Large Size 3D Printer. When it comes to a body build and construction, the Arkitty Technology Large Size 3D Printer is a robust printer to have. It comprises high standard accessories and motors for great stability. It comes with 2 extruders, which allow you to work in different temperature ranges available. The product also comes with a carbon filter. One of the key reasons we like the Arkitty Technology Large Size 3D Printer is that it comes with industrial-grade dual-axis support. This product comes with a decent large printing model, which will allow you to get an amazing result. The precise nozzle from this printer allows you to get a decent result. Snapmaker 3D Printer. The Snapmaker 3D printer provides great performance and decent print output. We compared that laser engraving and printing are much easier with this product. The rejuvenated version of this printer is much more precise while doing this job. As per consumers, the SnapMaker 3D printer comes with 3-in-1 software. This software is manufactured to provide you with a precise high-resolution print. The product comes with a plug-in system to print directly from portable devices without the help of any separate module. FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 comes with a quick detachable nozzle option. This allows you to quickly release and change the nozzle thread according to your printing object. It also includes the auto-leveling feature. This allows the printing head to remove the objects which are not required and provides a uniform body throughout. While reviewing, we found that the FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D printer comes with instant heating and a start option included. It really takes around 50 seconds to reach up to 240 degrees. So if you need to print with high-temperature filament, this product will deliver you with precision. LGT Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer. The LGT Longer LK5 Pro has a lattice glass platform that helps create the hotness for the printer. It sets out much quicker and also allows better printing. The option of having a resume printing sensor can start the work in a jiffy. Verdict: the LGT Longer LK5 Pro comes with a large touch screen to control the product. It includes a newly designed UI system to make better navigation and control. Because of this feature, you will alter the settings even while a printing job is going through. Monoprice 15,365 Select Mini 3D Printer. The Monoprice 15,365 Select Mini 3D printer comes in a compact size and shape. It is built with a compact desktop design, which does not take up much space at all. This device has an open frame design so that you can see what is being printed. Another important feature of this product is the option of having dynamic material support. Most people like the Monoprice 15,365 Select Mini 3D printer because of its great precision and control. This product features a 3.7-inch IPS screen to navigate the settings. You can also control the print nozzle according to your requirements. The product is highly compatible with ABS and PLA and more advanced materials for a better print. FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge 3D Printer is a small and compact device. But don't let the size fool you. It is a super cost-effective printer to have that does an amazing job. This product comes with decent auto-leveling features, which are compatible with a variety of 3D printing filaments. The FlashForge 3D Printer has stainless steel tube material, making this printer an amazing choice for daily 3D printing works. It comes with high-temperature filaments, which allow you to print at a temperature range of 250 degrees. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.